This is the login screen of the Zoomie software. Here we can enter our login credentials. In the first column, let's enter the user ID, and in the second column, we need to enter our password. Click on the login button below to enter the home page of the software. This is the home page of the software. Here we have mainly 9 menus. The first one is POS, and the second one is report, then comes masters, then comes shift flows, EOD, vouchers, settings, about, and finally exit. Now let's check what is on the POS. Click on POS menu and a new pop-up screen appears. In this we have shift number. You can choose the shift number, then the shift date. There is a date picker in which you can choose the date accordingly. Then comes the user button. You can choose the user and then the machine. We have two buttons, set and cancel. Now you can choose set button. A new screen appears. This is the main screen of all the operations taken place. And here we have three options at the top: dining, takeaway and delivery. Let's choose dining. We have breakfast, dinner and lunch. Let's choose breakfast. We have drinks, Malabar, Chinese and Arabic. For the time being, we are choosing drinks. And here we have tea, coffee and milk. Now we are choosing coffee. We can choose the wish of the customer. Here we can choose the type, and now we are choosing medium, and we can click on save. On the right side we can see our order. In order to increase the quantity of the order, you can click on the plus button on the right side. If you want to decrease the quantity of our order, then you can click on that minus sign. Well, the quantity and the amount appears. Now you can place the order to kitchen. Before that, you can click on KOT. You can choose the salesman here, and you can choose whether it's dining, takeaway, delivery or residence dining. We are choosing dining, and you can choose the table of the customer. Now we are choosing table 2. Click on OK button. Now the order is transferred to the kitchen. In order to get the order back, click on Get KOT. You can choose which order you are placed and select. Click on the OK button. Now the order is back. Now for settling, we can click on the settlement button. You can add whether it's cash or credit. Now we are doing cash, and enter the mobile number of the customer and name of the customer. Picture of all the notes available appears here. You can choose the note shared by the customer. I am choosing 210 rupees note. If you have any voucher or coupon, you can enter here and click on submit. If you don't have, you can save. Now the order is settled. In the bottom we are having 4 options, that is get catering, residence dining, get hold and open CD. Residence dining is for reserved dining to enter. Get hold is the hold bills and then settle. Open CD2 for the cash drawer, and get catering is for catering works. After that, you can go back to the home page by clicking on the home button. You can select yes. Now the home page appears again. Move on to the next menu, that is reports. In this menu, there are 2 options: sales report and KOT reports. These 2 options can be used only by the admins but cannot be used by any users. Now click on the back button. The third menu is Masters menu. Click on the Masters menu. There are 3 options: products, employee and table. Click on the product. The list of all the products appears. If you want to delete or remove any product from the list, you can click on the corresponding delete button. If you want to edit any product, like if any price increase or something like that comes, then you can click on the corresponding edit button and edit the details. If you want to add a new product, click on the plus sign on the top, and then a new pop-up screen appears. Product with product code is added by default, and you can enter the product name. I am adding the product name here as chicken fried rice. If you want, you can enter the Arabic name here, and then you can choose the category. I'm choosing dinner here. Then subcategory appears as default. if you want to choose something else, you can choose it here. Then if there is more than one kitchen, you can select the kitchen. Here, since there is only one kitchen, I'm selecting it. Then unit of measurement, here I am giving, I'm selecting and I'm giving kg. Okay, then I'm giving the price. I'm giving the takeaway price as 150 rupees, and I'm giving the dining price as 120 rupees, and I'm giving the delivery price as 180 rupees. Modifier, you can choose any modifier according to your wish. I'm choosing here medium. Then I'm saving it. You have to click on OK, and if you want to add more products, you can add, otherwise you can cancel. Now the new product appeared on our product list. Okay, next we can go to employee. Here we are having a list of employees. You can delete an employee if you wish to, or you can edit by clicking the corresponding edit option. If you want to add a new employee, you can click on the plus sign and the employee code appears by default. You can enter the employee name. I'm entering it as Susan. You can add its nationality. I'm writing as India. You can add designation. I'm doing it as supplier. You can add a username as well as password. You can also confirm the password, and you can click on the save button. The employee successfully saved and it appears on the list. Now you can click on the table button. Here there are two types, that is table management and table reservation. Table management also you can edit and delete the table. If you want to add a new table, table name, number of chairs and narration, you can give the details. And for table reservation also, the pop-up appears. You can add which table should be reserved, and you can add all the details including date, number of chairs, time, mobile number, customer name, customer address, number of guests, and it is reserved by, and then click on the reserve button. Since I have not given any data here, that's why it comes, otherwise it is, you can reserve it. Now you can click on the back button, and after that the next option you can choose is shift close. So at the end of the shift, you can close the shift of a particular employer, and a pop-up appears. You can close the shift. And then shift closing appears. All the details, you can verify the details and then close the shift close option. There will be a print session. You can cancel, and the entire application will be closed.